I am using DeepSeek V4 Plus for completely free inside VS Code, and I built this entire website using DeepSeek V4 Plus. You can see its preview that it's look too clean, and in this end of this video I'll guide you full exact step-by-step process that how we can build a website using AI. And first of all, a quick milestone check that we are close to 200 subscribers, so please subscribe our channel and don't forget to join our Telegram channel, link in the channel bio. And you can check out our another videos that I will provide AI API key for completely free, and I will provide all details on our Telegram, so don't forget to join it. So don't waste your time, let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Open Code. Don't worry, I will put the website link on our Telegram, so don't forget to join it. After opening Open Code on your browser, first of all you can see its landing page, and then go to that Gen option, click on it, or you can search for Open Code Gen also. If this Gen page is not opening, so what you can do, you can open on your browser directly. First of all, search for Open Code Gen and hit enter. You can see that first link, you can click on it and you can go through this page. Okay, now what to do, first of all go to this get started with Gen, click on it and you can see that Gen page. Okay, so Gen provide multiple models, most are paid but you can use some models for free. So first of all, what you can do, sign up with your Gmail account and you can easily sign up with it. So after completing your sign up, you are redirected through this page. Okay, so this video is basically for DeepSeek V4 Plus, so how we can use in VS Code. If you have in VS Code, so don't install it again, and if you don't have, please search for Visual Studio Code or VS Code on your browser and then open that first link. After clicking on this, you can go through this Visual Studio Code, download for Windows. If you have another operating system, so you can choose your operating system and download it. And you all know that DeepSeek V4 Plus is newly launched model and it can beat Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet also in several benchmarks. So let's check it. First of all, after completing your installation, you can open it with your computer and go to that file. You can create a file or you can choose a empty file also. So I am choosing a empty file. First of all, click on file and then open folder and choose your empty folder and select it. So it's open a empty file. So what you can do, first of all click on that extension button and then search for Open Code. After a long loading, you can see that it's official extension of Open Code. You can simply install it, as I am already installed. And the next step, what to do, first of all go to this extension button and you can see that agent already opened of Open Code. You can click on it and it will take some times because it's depend on your network speed. You can open it or close all files and let's open the Open Code. It will take 15 to 20 seconds. Let's wait for it. Okay, so our Open Code extension is installed successfully. So you can see that our chat box. So simply type /connect. So what we need to do, we need a Open Code Gen connector. So simply click on Open Code Gen and then what we need, a API key. So go to that website and then go to this API key option, then create a API key, give a name whatever you want and then click on enter. Okay, so you can see our API key creation successfully. So copy this API key and paste it on that section, API key section, and then hit enter. Don't enter multiple times because this website is slow, so it takes few seconds. And you can see that multiple models are that all are not free. You can see that free models are right there. So select that DeepSeek V4 Plus free, and you can use it for unlimited times. You can create a multiple account and you can use it. You can choose different two modes. One is build and another is plan mode. So let's check its response that it's working or not. Simply type hi and then hit enter. So wait for it, and it's thinking, and you can check its response. It's really good. And you can see there's contest menu. You can see its contest menu. You can see its uses, that how many percentage of credit you are used on this project. And don't be panic, because it will refresh after you close this program and reopen it all refreshed. Okay, so now let's build a website or portfolio, and I'll simply prompt it that build a website for me and hit enter. You don't need any ChatGPT to make a prompt to build a high level website. So you can choose it plan mode. So the using this plan mode, it asks some question. Let's see that what are the question. That you can see that what kind of website you want to build. I'm just portfolio website for me. It will ask every question that what it need. You can answer it by step. So if you give him a correct answer, so it build a perfectly good working website. So you can see I am answering its daughter mode that what I want to do with it. Okay, now let's test how many fast it can build, and don't it cut or fast forwarding it, because let's check its time. Okay, so you can see that I built it is on its plan mode, because still it planning, because it need more information to build it. And what type of thing, I'll paste that my YouTube name and what is my skills, and tell us more about whatever it asks. So let's see what I do. I'll simply answer all that question that what it asks me, and after completing its plan mode, then I go through that build mode. So you can check this full video. You can see its response that it's too fast. You can build a completely website in just 5 minutes. So use it on your computer. Okay, so our planning mode is completely done. So what we do next? We choose build mode. Simply click on the tab option and you can change your mode and just type build it. So you can see it's build a to-do list that what to do next by next. So let's wait it and see its preview of this website, and I will show you that exact code that what it can write or not. And you can see it gives me HTML file simply, or it is using CSS, and for framework it is used JavaScript. And at last you can see its preview on your local host. So if you have no money to host your website, please comment down below, because I made another type of video that how to host any website for completely free. uh, if you are interested, so comment down, or if not, then you can skip it. Okay, we are there. Okay, we are at that last video stage. Okay, we are there. Okay, our video creation is completed. So you can see it gives a local host. It is simply you can copy this link and paste with your browser, and you can see its preview. Or what the next thing you can do, simply click on that file. You can see HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Click on that HTML file and click on this preview page, and then it load it, and you can see its website that hi, I am Ahan, and you can see that all I'll put it the latest video, and you can see that Kimike 3 video, or multiple, you can add multiple videos also. What type of project I build, what language I know, you can see all type of things it added, and with a clean UI UX. So if this video has helped you, please like this video and join our Telegram channel, because I'll provide everything in our Telegram. Okay, so let's check it's working or not. You can see that it go to this YouTube and open our video, so it's perfectly working. And if you want this complete tutorial for how you can build a complete front-end back-end database website, you can comment down it, because I'll make a complete tutorial or complete playlist that you can see, or you can build your app or website. So comment down it, and I will see in the next video.